Office Timeline's themes functionality helps you save time when customizing the look of your timelines, roadmaps, and Gantt charts. In this video guide, we're going to explain how you can create a timeline from a theme, set a particular theme as the default theme, apply a theme to any existing timeline, and import custom themes. Speaking of custom themes, if you want to learn how to create, edit, and export custom themes, you might want to check out their dedicated video and support article. Let's start with creating a timeline from a theme. To do this, all you have to do is go to the Office Timeline ribbon, click on New, double-click the theme you want to use, and either create a timeline from scratch or use one of our integrations to import your project data directly from one of these tools. If you want to know more about our data import integrations, check out the dedicated videos in the Office Timeline Support Center. If you have a theme that you use often, you might want to set it as the default theme, so it will be applied by default to future timelines you make. To do this, go to the Office Timeline ribbon and click on Themes to open the Themes menu. Then mouse over to the theme you want to set as default. Click on the newly revealed dots in the upper right corner of the thumbnail and select Set as Default Theme. Now let's say you already have a timeline, but you want to give it a new look quickly. You can easily apply a theme to it. First, make sure you're on the slide with that timeline, and on the Office Timeline ribbon, click on Themes. Depending on your plan, you can pick any of the Office Timeline themes or apply your own custom theme from the list in the bottom left, and you will see a preview of how that theme will look when applied to your timeline. If you like the way the theme looks, but you still want to preserve some aspect of your original timeline, you can use these checkboxes. When you're ready, click Apply, and Office Timeline will instantly change the look of your timeline. But what if you want to import a custom theme that one of your colleagues sent over? Well, first you need to make sure that you're on a plan that has access to custom themes. And after that, all you have to do is to open up the Themes menu, click on the small arrow next to Create New Theme, and choose Import Theme. Pretty simple, isn't it? That's it for this video, but if you want to learn more, don't forget to check out the Office Timeline Support Center.